Brothers and sisters, stop everything. What I'm about to tell you will reveal the true face of global power and how one African leader's refusal to bow changed everything. The phone rang at 3:17 a.m., not a gentle diplomatic call, not a scheduled conversation between world leaders. This was something else entirely, a declaration of war disguised as an ultimatum. Netanyahu's voice cut through the darkness like a blade. Captain Traore, you have exactly 48 hours. 48 hours to what? To remember my place? To crawl back to the plantation of international approval? To restore Israeli mining contracts that exploit our soil while our people remain hungry? Reinstate our surveillance partnerships? Reverse every decision against Israeli interests in Burkina Faso? Do this immediately or face two choices. Two choices. Like a master offering a slave the illusion of freedom. Flee your country like a coward or surrender your presidency to us. The line went silent, but my mind roared with clarity. This wasn't diplomacy, this was extortion. This was the language masters use when slaves forget their position. But the real ultimatum came 30 minutes later. Same voice, same arrogance, different threat. Captain, let me be clearer. You have 48 hours to step down voluntarily or we remove you involuntarily. Your choice. Abandon your position or face complete destruction. I didn't let him finish. Prime Minister Netanyahu, I said, my voice steady as Sahel granite. Let me be clearer too. I don't negotiate with extortionists. I don't bow to bullies. And I certainly don't abandon my people because a foreign power threatens me. I hung up on the Prime Minister of Israel. In that moment, staring at the phone in my darkened office, I felt something I hadn't experienced since fighting jihadists in the desert. Not fear, clarity. They had just made the biggest mistake of their political lives. They had threatened a man who would rather die standing than live kneeling. Within 1 hour, my crisis team assembled. Defense Minister, Intelligence Chief, Foreign Affairs Advisor, the only people I trusted with what we were facing.